Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming over. I appreciate you. I hope you stay and enjoy the content. And to those that have been with me from the beginning, thank you so much for sticking around. I appreciate it. And I do want to mention I'm only 12 subscribers away from 500. 12 subscribers away, guys. Can we do it? Can we get there? I hope so, because when we do, I have a mega makeup haul and goodie surprise giveaway for you guys. So keep an eye out. I'm going to post a shorts video with a little teaser of all the awesomeness that's going to be in that giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed already, smash that button. You know you want to. And I want to say thank you so much for coming by today. I have a fun video, a little something unexpected. I went to Michael's today and I got some of the $5 grab bag boxes. Sorry, they usually have bags at my store, but this time they had boxes. So I got 3 of them and I wanted to share with you guys all the awesomeness that is in these boxes. I hope you enjoy. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It's totally free and it helps a girl out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got. So what was in the thumbnail? Check this out. Look at this pillow. So it says state. There was actually 2 in the boxes. They were, I have a price on here. They were $29.99. But the cool thing is the back is plain. So I could like put something on the back here and just flip them over. So I thought that was pretty cool. So right off the bat, guys, that's like $60 worth of stuff, and I only paid $16 with tax. And then also, these I thought were super cool. It says bead landing semi-precious daggers. They were $24.99. And look at how pretty those are. Aren't those gorgeous? Like they're little rocks. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, but your girl's going to do something because they are really cool. So those are super cool. Those were in my thumbnail. And then I'm just going to kind of pull at random. I kind of combined most of the boxes together because there's a bunch of florals that I put in the other box because I drove my pickup truck and I don't have like a back seat or trunk, and my truck doesn't have like a bed cover. So I had to like open up the boxes and take everything out and dump it into like behind the seat, behind the bench and on the floor to like fit it in my truck. So I apologize. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So these, I got several of these welcome picks. They don't have a price tag on there, so I'm not sure how much they were, but there were several of those. There is this welcome to our paradise pick. This one was $4.99. And these boxes were all like spring and summer stuff. And then look at this cute little truck with the little cactuses in the back. How cute is that? And you can always just pick these off and use them without being on the pick. I've got these little sunglasses. They were $4.99. There is, oh, look at this cute little bicycle. That one was $4.99. There's a camper. Aww. That one was $4.99. Here's another welcome to our paradise. And another sunglasses. There was this random little birdhouse. And speaking of birds, how about some birdies? Aren't they pretty? These were $4.99. They had this, I'm assuming it was a pick because it had the little places on the back. A little drinky drink. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got these taper candles. How big those are. They were $5.99. And we have another little drinky drink. And then we have what I guess was a run deck bench for like mini DIY models, but it's broken. There are several of these floral tapes. They were, you know what? It doesn't say. So there's the big one's 180 feet. And then this one is 55 feet. So a couple smaller ones. I have to start a pile going on here. A random thing of twine, but that's cool. $3.99 for some blue twine. There is a sewing craft kit that was $4.99. Look, makes a little rainbow. How cute is that? And then here's another little craft kit. It's a crown. The shark was $3.99. There are foam stickers. Oh, these are Easter. These are $4.99, but these are fun. Kids could do some fun crafting with those. And there's actually 2. And let's see, there's 2 of these other, there's another crown kit. It's $3.99. They're like rocket ships. Rocket Man! I don't know the rest of that song, but I know it's up by Elton John. And then they had a bunch of these headbands, like headband kits, that were $3.99. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Here are some, speaking of Rocket Man, look, it's some space foam stickers. And then here are some like spring flower foam stickers. These were $4.99. Hey there, pool boy. That was $12.99, but you could flip it around and DIY the inside. I saw this and I immediately thought of Marina because she loves monstera leaves, and it says welcome. This was $16.99. Oh, here's another rocket crown. And then there's 3 of these yarn craft kits that were $4.99 for like a shooting star. So I got kind of a space theme going on. Here's a cute little, I guess it was a pic, it had a flamingo. But you know what? You can glue some magnets on the back and make a really cute magnet. Let's see here. So we have, looks like vintage, like guys playing football. But I can always paint it and put something on the inside. This was $24.99. This one says, ready to build my empire. This was $14.99. But the same thing, I could put something on the inside. This is super cool. This is a Recollections specialty cardstock paper that was $9.99. But I love this color, this like rose gold shimmer. I thought was really pretty. They have one here. It says stress-free zone. This was $24.99, but the same thing. I could pry these pieces off and use the frame for crafting. Together we can do virtually anything. It's like a little computer laptop. This was $9.99. This is cute. Wall Accents DIY Modern Mini. Doesn't say how much, but it has a hello, an and a welcome. Little wood pieces. And then this one has magical, a diamond, and a unicorn. Little wooden pieces. Doesn't say how much it is, so I'm not sure. And then I've got, let's see what we got here, some felt sheets. These are $4.99. So we have a set of purple. We have a set of yellow. Actually, we have 2 sets of yellow. We have some flowers. They have yellow and blue. And these are $4.99. And we have some hearts. We have like a white background. And we have the pink background. And then some sharks, dolphins, octopus, seahorses. Here. And then, here's another welcome. Here's some $4.99 foam stars, like a shooting star. Another drink. And then I got 4 of these Gobblies Play Paint Blast. I guess you fill them up with paint and you squirt each other with some paint. Sounds like a big mess to me. I wonder if you could use this with water as a squirt gun. I might open one of these up and try putting water in it, because if it makes a squirt gun, that would be fun for the summer. So that's what was in there. And then over here in my other box, I have some pink foamy pieces. Oh, sorry. So the paint guns were, is it whole price? $5.99 for the paint guns. And then, like I said, we have the foam. We have some more of the under the sea creatures. Under the sea, under the sea. I love Little Mermaid. Speaking of Little Mermaid, did you guys see the D23? They posted like a little teaser trailer video for the new live action Little Mermaid. Let me know what you guys think if you've seen it. Comment down below. I'd like to get your opinion. I love the Little Mermaid because she was the first redheaded Disney princess. And so to me, like, she'll always hold a special place in my heart being a ginger. So I thought it was cool. So let's see. We got wall decor kit. Oh, look, it's like a unicorn. This was $9.99. It makes like a, instead of like a deer mounted on your wall, you can have a paper unicorn. That's cool. And then, let's see, speaking of unicorns, here's some foam unicorns. They're $4.99 in pink and in white. We got some Easter Bunny foam pieces that were $4.99. The bunny, oh, I love the bunny. Anybody watch VeggieTales? That's from a VeggieTales episode. My daughter loved VeggieTales when she was little. And look, we got eggies. Purple eggs, blue eggs. They were $4.99. Got another unicorny. Oh, we got another Rocket Man. Do. Foam bits there. What else we got? Oh, we got some eggs. Felt pieces. And, oh, this is heavy. Inflatable easel. $29.99. Look at that. You can blow up yourself an easel to paint with. I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but okay. So you've got a sign, Escape the Ordinary. This was $24.99. Oh, I don't know if I told you. So the inflatable easel was $29.99. And then I got 2 more of these Gobblies Pump and Power paint guns that were $8.99. And look at that kid. No wonder these were in the grab bags. Who in their right mind is going to get a gun like this, fill it full of paint, and tell your kids, yeah, go outside and spray each other with paint? That can't possibly end badly. That would be great, right? I hope you can use them with water. And then also, she said when you picked a box, you got a free wreath. So look at this wreath that I got for free, or part of the set. And then I got a whole box full of like different greenery. So I'll just show you kind of the highlights because there's a lot in there. So I got several of these pots with like the bulb and the tulip. They were $9.99, but I think I'm going to reuse the pots. They had this floral wrapped in ribbon. This was a bouquet, $14.99. I think these were like probably for like weddings because I saw several similar to this. They have this cute little like pretend wrapped in paper from like the market. This one was $12.99. See, we got some, oh, look, they're like little pineapples. $9.99. We got another bouquet. $14.99 for that. Yeah, I would not pay $14.99 for that. And then like this big old branch. This was $9.99. Let's see, here's some roses. This doesn't have a price tag on it. There's something really cool I wanted to show you guys. Oh, here. Look at these. Aren't those pretty? Like this, I could totally see me buying. This was $9.99. I thought that was really pretty. And let's see what else we got. We got another bouquet, $14.99. See if there's anything else worth mentioning in here. Yeah, just a bunch of random floral. Let's see. Oh, this is, wow, this is interesting. Look at that pick. $7.99. All right, so I think on that note, guys, that is going to be the end of my Michaels $5 grab bag hauls. I got three boxes, so those are all the goodies. I will try to tally up and do a total of how much how much it all cost together if I would have paid retail. As I mentioned, I did only pay $16 and some change, including tax. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this nice random pop-up video for this Monday. I hope you guys have a marvelous week, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Goodbye.